Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you the build of our outdoor shower. So in the background, we're up at my cabin right now. We have the sauna over here and then our hun shack over here. We first built it in 2015, I think. We didn't have a place to shower at our cabin if someone was renting out the main house on our property here that we do an Airbnb with. So we wanted a place to shower during hunting season in the fall. And then when we built the sauna a few years later in 2017, it was also nice to have a place to shower off after the sauna. So shower's back there. I'll give you a tour of it and show you how we put it together. So this is the view looking from the entrance to the shower. As you saw in the background before, we've got walkways leading up to it. Help keep your feet clean when you're walking over here from the cabin to the sauna. It's built out of treated lumber. We got 4-inch posts on the corners. Those are dug into the ground about 5 feet. And then we have just regular 5¼ inch deck boards on the bottom. We routed some lines in to give a little traction when they're wet. And then the outside is cedar fence boards. And then just some more 2x lumber for holding the shower head up and odds and end spots. I'm not going to act like I built this whole thing. My dad's a plumber by trade, so he did most of the building and the work, but I did help out. I have photo evidence of it. I'll show it over top of here from, I think it's 2017. But on the inside, we have the 2 valves, one for running the rainfall shower head and then another for the shower head on a hose, and then the temperature control, just like a normal shower. And then the other side is where all the plumbing's at, so I will show you that next. So the main water supply comes in from the main house on the property, comes over here downhill, and then there's a T underground here, and then it goes over there and there's a ball valve to drain. So like I said, we're in Minnesota. We have to worry about freezing temperatures a lot of the year, and you got to make sure that everything drains, otherwise you're going to break stuff. So from the T underground comes up here to the water supply. Part of it goes up into the thermostatic valve. The other part just runs to the instantaneous water heater. There's a drain valve here for the cold line. Comes out over here, another drain valve for the hot, and then another drain valve down below this T, which it tees off and goes back to the control valve. And then we have a big propane tank to heat our hunting shack that we have here. And that's the feed line here, regulator valve into the hot water heater. And then there's another drain down here that from the valve on the inside for draining out as well. And then there's also a drain here on the hot water heater. As you can see, it's open to the outside. Got a nice view of the woods down below. Big white pine. No one's gonna see it back here. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoy the video, please hit the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner, and you can see some of the other videos that I make. Also, if you have any questions about the shower design or the plumbing works, please leave a comment below and I'll try to answer it for you. A few more things that I didn't really say were that we don't use the shower in the wintertime. We really stop using it once the temperature starts getting steadily below 32 degrees. If you do need to use it around that temperature, you want to drain it out after use. Open all the drain valves, hang the shower sprayer down low, and make sure all the water gets out before it gets too cold. Thanks for watching, and like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.